We chose Hamilton for many reasons. One, it's such a welcoming and growing city. The transformation here has been incredible. And a big passion of ours is restoring and revitalizing vacant buildings. And what better building to do that with than here?
When a company that's had success in multiple states wants to invest in an iconic building like this, that is very exciting. That means our successes are being known truly nationwide. And we have had great success repurposing buildings.
We hope to have a huge impact here, provide a space for people to either come work or network, make new friends, and obviously we love our members to go out and support local businesses and restaurants, which is a huge passion of ours.
But it's also exciting for High Street, because anybody doing business in this building within 2 blocks can probably find a place to go, whether it's to eat breakfast or lunch. This will be a great place to have an office space to work.
This location is going to have 41 private offices, 12 meeting rooms, and a huge 80-person event space where our members and the community can have weddings, baby showers, parties, you name it. We have solopreneurs in our spaces all the way to really large corporations. We have people that are used to working at home, or maybe their office is in another state. And we can provide, people that just want 1 day a week, every day. We have so many different options. The one thing that I want people to know, just that we are so excited to be involved and integrated with this wonderful city. And however we can help local businesses, like I mentioned, that's what we're all about, community and bringing people together and supporting local.